Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Suciati. I am one of the teacher of English teacher at SMKN 3 Tikban. At this time, I would like to share one of my best practice. This is about procedure tag using method PGPL. Project learning. The purpose through project-based learning, learner can analyze, identify, and write the social function of procedure text, recipe, and manual. Second, learners can solve procedure text according text structure in group correctly. And third, learners are able to apply vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation in procedure text independently with accuracy. Next, we are discussing about what is a procedure tag. Procedure tag is a kind of a tag that shows a series of order of making something, doing something, or getting something. Next type of procedure tag. There are two types of procedure tag. First is about recipe and manual. So, what is a recipe procedure tag? Recipe procedure tag, it is a part of procedure text. It is of ingredient and set of instruction that tell you how to something. This is an example of two recipe about procedure tag. That is how to make steak salad. This is. And next, this is how to make lemon tea. This is just an example of procedure tag. That is content about ingredient and step. Next, what is generic structure of recipe? The first is about goal or aim. It means it contains the purpose how to make something. And ingredient, it means this part describe the element we need to make something. And step or method, it means that part describe the set of instruction. Language feature of recipe, it contains using simple present. Second, using adverbial of second or using temporal adjective. Third, using imperative sentences or command. And four, using adverb of time to express the style of time. Next, the purpose of recipe procedure tag. First, it used to describe how something is made in sequence step. Second, it provides series of steps in sequence that explain the reader how to make something. And third, the communicative purpose of the tag is to tell the step of making something. Next, we will continue the second type, that is about manual procedure tag. What is manual procedure tag? It is part of procedure tag. It is book or pamphlet that contain explanation about how something should be done in sequence step. This is an example of manual procedure tag. For example, that is about wash your hand. This is the picture about how manual procedure tag is done. For example, the first is up, that is a hand. Next, this is an example how to operate television. It's about material and this interaction. Material, television, cable, remote, plug, and antenna. Interaction. The first, plug the cable television on the electric switch. Second, after that, press the power button to the turn of the television, and so on. Next, generic structure of manual procedure tag. First is goal or aim. It means it contains the purpose of doing or operating something. And material, it means this part describe the tool we need to do, make, or operating something. And instruction, it means this part describe the set of instruction. About language feature of manual procedure text. The first is using simple present. Second, using adverbial of sequence or using temporal adjective. And third, using imperative sentences or command. The purpose of manual procedure tag. First, it is to describe how something is done in sequence step. Second, it provides step-step sequence that explain the reader how to do something. And third, The communicative purpose of the text is to tell the step of making or doing something. This is some of vocabulary which related with procedure tag. For example, you can use cut, pour, chop, peel, boil, blend, slice, steam, fry, and grate. And about the manual, you can use wash, heat, melt, mix, apply, press, coat, make sure, turn on, dictate, and so on. This is just an example. You can use the other vocabulary. Next, this is an example of procedure tag. For example, this is how to make a cheese omelette. Ingredient. This is an example of an exercise. Okay, the following are methods. This is a question which related with procedure tag. Okay, thank you.